Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Excellent Sound Crew, DJ Trev. Today we're going to do an unboxing video on the DDJ-FLX10 from Pioneer DJ. The outside of the box is pretty minimalist in design. This is not a box that has like all the details or features of the unit. It's literally the same on this side as it is on the other side here. There we go. And it just says DDJ-FLX10 on the top, as well as Pioneer DJ. Alright, so let's open it up. Got these two tabs right here. Seems to be a piece of styrofoam missing here. Wonder what happened there. Like, it's clear, you guys can see that, right? It's clearly ripped. Alright, whatever. Keep it moving. We have some accessories here, the power cable, the USB, as well as, I guess, the manual and warranty information. We'll open this up in a second. Try to get this styrofoam out delicately. Or maybe I could slide the unit out. Yeah, this is the best way. Okay, so let me do this. Styrofoam. Try not to get a bunch of styrofoam bits all over the place, but there we go. It's not very heavy. As like, there's no support in the box. So then the box is holding it, so that's good. But let's get this box out the way. There we go. Turn it around. Alright, so before we open this beauty, let's take a look at the accessories that we have here. Called it accessories, they're not really. Except, I don't know. Are they really accessories? It's what you're supposed to get, right? You got a power cord or a power supply. Is what I really should call it. The thing about this that I absolutely hate, like, if this breaks on you, you gotta buy another one. And if you had the I think the SX1 had this, and I used to get calls all the time from other DJs that they're at a gig that, and this thing is broken, and you can't just go and get, look at this, how I had, because this universal IEC cable or power cable, you have these laying around everywhere. As a DJ, you should probably have extra on hand always. I do. So my advice, if you purchase this unit, buy an extra one of these and keep it as a backup, because you never know when this may go dead on you. And this is not something you can just get at your local 99-cent store, or a local electronics store. So yeah. Order one of these off of Amazon or your favorite DJ website and just have one as a backup in the event that this goes bad. That out the way. This is the actual power cord to go into the unit, into the power supply, right? So that. They gave a USB-C, which I'm loving this. I love USB-C. I love Thunderbolt. So there we go. USB-C cable, nice, pretty good length. I'd say it's a 6 foot cable, so nice length, good cable. So that's nice to include. A lot of units these days, when you buy them, they don't include a USB cable. So it's very nice to see that this one does. What's this? There we go. So I'm covering my voucher code here, because I might gift this to a friend, but they actually included an expansion pack voucher for Serato Pitch and Time, so that's pretty cool. What is this? Safety information. Garbage. Quick start guide. Okay. With pictures and no words. I don't think I've ever seen a quick start guide that just has pictures and no words. That's funny. Alright, now it's time to actually show the unit. So, pop these up. Nope, just tape. There she is. Look at that beauty. Alright, let's go ahead and turn this on. See what the lights look like. I always love turning on a Pioneer mixer and seeing all the lights come on. It never gets old. Let's see what this one's like. Ooh. Huh. Nice. I was expecting a kind of a fade up of lights, like similar to the SZ. This one is different. Like everything comes on, which is kind of nice. Really bright, actually. In person, I don't know if you can see in the camera that it kind of got. It was when it first turns on. It's actually pretty bright. That pretty much concludes this unboxing video. There wasn't much here other than a power cord, a USB cable, a quick start guide, and an expansion voucher for Serato, and of course this beautiful DDJ-FLX10. A video is going to come soon with an overview, and of course, as always, with a review. And I may do a couple other how-to videos as well. So subscribe if you're interested in checking that out, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like.